Hi all, I am Gunjan Gupta, your instructor. So today we will cover Java linked list. Okay, so let's get started with linked list. So here we will go and check out the linked list, how it works. So linked list, string, linked list, string. Okay, and this is the car object of linked. Okay, how we create the linked list object. And now we are using add method to add 4 values, and now we will print this full linked list. Okay, all are printed. So only you have to write like this, create object. Okay, so array list versus linked list, it is very important topic as per the interviews. Okay, so linked list class is a collection which can contain many objects of same type, just like an array list. Okay, the linked list class has all of the same methods as array list because they both are implement the list interface. Okay, this means that you can add element, change, remove, clear the list in the same way. However, while the array list class and the linked list class can be used in the same way, they are built very differently. Okay, how array list work? The array list class has regular array inside it. When an element is added, it is placed into the array. If the array is not big enough, a new or larger array is created to replace the old one, or old one is removed. Okay, the linked list stores its item in container. The list has a link to the first container, and each container has a list to this next container in the list. To add an element to the list, the element is placed into a new container, and that container is linked to the one of another container in the list. When to use an array list? For storing and accessing, and to manipulating we use linked list. So linked list methods, for many cases the array list is more efficient as it is commonly need access to random element in the list, but linked list provides several methods to do certain operations like add first, add last, remove first, remove last, get first and get last. Okay, you can try also. So here it is written add first, so it will come here at the first zero index. Okay, so if you use add last, then image will come at the last. Okay, now if you use remove first, so remove first, so this will be removed. And if you use remove last, okay, remove last, so this will be removed. Okay, get first, so get first is Volvo, so get first we are printing Volvo. And get last, so get last is this, then this will be printed. See, so like this linked list works. So you can go through it. If you have any question, please comment, and do subscribe my channel, do like my video, do share. Thank you, bye bye.